Hey guys, I had planned to be here or be at school with you while you kind of navigated how to do this new kind of worksheet, but you've done some things similar to it, so now it's kind of your turn to show me what you know and show me how you pick these things out on your own. Each chapter has a chunk you're going to notice as you scroll down the page. So this first chunk is all for chapter 20. This first thing says, find two words from chapter 20 that you did not know or you would consider good vocabulary words. Write the sentence you found it in, search the meaning in the dictionary. That probably sounds familiar. You've been doing that in parts 1 through 3. So instead of me telling you which words are good vocabulary, you're going to be choosing those. So for example, I would go to the Malala text, and one thing I was noticing, let me choose, it was the word wrath. Now, of course, I can't find it. Oh, right here. Turn their wrath on a child. So that's what I would put. I'd put the word wrath. But he never imagined the Taliban would turn their wrath on a child. So I would write that here, wrath. I'd put that sentence and I'd look up the word wrath. Then it says here, respond to your reading. Write 3 7-up sentences about the main idea from chapter 20. So what is this chapter mostly about? So you're going to write down what you think this chapter is mostly about. And then you're going to come over here on this side and it says write 3 7-up sentences about what you were thinking when you read this chapter. So if you're thinking, oh my gosh, I don't know how to write these or how to get this started, here are just some ideas. So you could say, I was thinking blah, blah, blah because, I was wondering because. Obviously, do not use all of these. These are just your topic sentence, and then you're going to talk about those more in depth in your writing. So choose one of those if you want. If you don't want to choose one, that's fine, but don't choose more than one. And then this is the last one. It looks like it's split here. At the end of chapter 20, Malala talked about what she would do if she met a Talib. What do you think about what she said? Do you agree? Do you disagree? Or do you agree? Explain your thinking in 3 sentences. So you'd restate it right down here, and you'd start typing here. One thing is, this looks like these are 2 separate boxes. It's all the same box, so it'll go right. You'll see it moving down the page. Then you'll stop and go on, wait until you read chapter 21, and on and on and on. And so that's what we're going to try for part 4. If you have any questions, you can feel free to email me or message me. And I know the sub would be able to help you out with this as well. So good luck with this new assignment. It's not due until Wednesday, December 9th, which is actually the day I return anyway. But if you need anything before then, just let me know, okay? Good luck, guys. Work hard.